Welcome back, guys. How you doing today? Today it's Wednesday and this is mean only one thing. It's time for Wednesday Classics. Welcome back, guys. Today is Wednesday and as I mentioned it's Wednesday Classics. My name is George and today we're gonna make a classics to the test of time, and this is the Vodkatini. So without further ado and without wasting some more time of me rambling and just chatting, turning this to chatting show, let's start with a cocktail, okay? We're gonna need a Rolls Royce of the dry vermouths, like people call it. This is the Noilly Prat, and we of course gonna need vodka. So let's have our vodka. Beautiful. We have a chilled vodka. Yes, if you want to do a proper vodkatini, you need to chill your vodka, so keep it in the freezer. Look at that, it's absolutely fantastically frozen. So let's make the cocktail. Grab your mixing glass, get your chilled vodka, and you will need 75 ml of the chilled vodka. Put in your mixing glass, definitely. Put it in. So one big measure of 50 ml and one small measure of 25 ml. That's it. And we can leave it now here. Then we get, as I mentioned, this is known as the Rolls Royce of dry vermouth. It's a Noilly Prat. It's fantastic vermouth with a lovely flavor. Dry, fruity, and ooh, you can smell a little bit of nutmeg inside. Anyway, this is a half a measure, okay? 12.5 ml. That's it. Not much, but this is the real Vodkatini. The dry vermouth is gonna bring some dryness to the cocktail and a little bit of fruity flavor. Fill up your mixing glass with ice and give it a good stir. You have to stir it nicely until it's proper chilled. So you're keeping the chillness from the vodka coming from the freezer. Ooh, yes. Beautiful. Don't forget, chilled vodka. Keep it in the freezer. And let's bring our glass now. Yo! What a magic, isn't it? I have a proper chilled, frozen, nicely glass, Martini glass coming from the freezer. This is gonna keep the cocktail extremely chilled and absolutely pleasant to drink. So we've done this. Don't need this strainer. Let's use this one. And I'm gonna do double strain. Even there is no broken ice inside, just in case I want to stop any small pieces of ice going into the cocktail. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And finally, an olive for garnish. You can use any olive as far as it's green. I'm using olives with a small pepper inside, which is really nice. You bring this proper, like, you know, this peppery feeling to the cocktail. It's beautiful. There you go. And then you have it, a Vodkatini, fantastically served, made with chilled vodka from the freezer in frozen chilled glass from the freezer. Beautiful cocktail, fantastic aperitif to have a sip before your meal, and any socialized events or any home parties. Enjoy, guys. Like and subscribe if you like the channel. Leave a comment as always. My name is George, this is Wednesday Classics, and I'll see you for the next video on Friday. For now, all the best from me, I love you, and I leave you with this wonderful Vodkatini. Bye bye.